Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel V2 Solver. Today we are discussing the Module 3 of UHV, BUHK408. The first question is Dash is the ability to perform a specific task, action or function successfully. Competence. The second question is Society is an extension of family. The third question Respect and trust are the need of the self. Fourth question Knowing means we have the right understanding. Fifth question Trust, respect, and happiness, etc., are the needs of self. Sixth question The feeling of responsibility for nutriting, protection, and right utilization the body is. Then next question The feeling in the self are definite. The eighth question is the feeling of responsibility to ensure health of body of other is related with care. Ninth question Right evaluation of each other intention and competence is called respect. The tenth question If I say I am good for nothing, it is a kind of under evaluation. The next question Over evaluation causes ego. 12th question Under evaluation causes depression. 13th question Right evaluation cases self confidence. 14th question Right evaluation will be on the basic of self. 15th question There are dash element of justice. 4. And the 16th question Dash is the feeling of being related to all. Love. 17th question Disrespect lead to all of the above. And the 18th question Dash is the basic unit of human interaction. Family. The 19th question You have trust on intention on other. There you will be feel related to other. The 20th question Dash is the right evaluation of the other on the basic self I. Respect. The 21st question We can feel being related to other when we have feeling for other, trust and respect. 22 question Dash is the our ability to fulfill the aspiration, competence. The 23rd question There are dash in relationship in oneself I one for other self I two feelings. 24th Acceptance of excellence in other is called rever- reversions. 25th question The problem in our relationship with various entities are due to our aspiration. 26th Based on the test, the dash is triggered. Hurts. 27 In I, recognized and fulfillment depends on assuming. 28 Ability to do or perform is known as competence. 29th Assuming without knowing is reconductioning. 30th Ensuring justice in relationship on the basis of values leads to fair, fearlessness. 31 Imagination is combination of desire, thought and expectations. 32 Bhokta means doors. 33 Which of the following is not an aspect of relationship? Feelings can be recognized. 34th You react angrily due to you doubt the intention of other. 35th Love and comparison deals with fulfillment in relationship. 36 Mutual fulfillment is the hallmark of justice. 37 When we accept feeling for other for our happiness, it is a state of pratantrata. 38 Paratantra deals with all. 39th We are similar on the basis of proposed program and potential. 40 Other is similar to me, it is the minimum quantity of respect. 41 The statement I and other want to live with continuous happiness and prosperity indicate our purpose. 42 The statement I and other want to understand the live in harmony at all for lives indicates our program. 43rd. The statement desire, thought, and acceptation are continuous in me as well as other indicates our potential. 44. The statement the other is similar to me and we are complementary to each other indicates the complete content of respect. 45. The feeling of being relatable to other is called affection. 46. The feeling of responsibility and community of nurturing and protection of the body of my relative is care. 47. The feeling of responsibility and community for ensuring right understanding and right feeling in the self of my relative is guidance. 48. Care and guidance are the two outcomes of affection. 49. The feeling of expectation for excellence is called reverence. The last question. The outcome of reverence is worship. Thank you for watching our video. Please do like, share, and subscribe.